with the free wind and green dream. People have been yearning for the command of climate change. Be cleaning over the clear and comfortable seasons. Chigo, like pursuing youth. Chigo AC, a brand with endless surpassing spirit, is dedicated into changing the indoor climate and the air environment for the human being. With the tenet of making people's life better, Chigo is devoted into making the best AC worldwide and stepping forward on the way of globalization. We would overcome more difficult barriers to achieve the common dream of human being. Upon establishment for over 10 years, we have achieved the peak fulfillment in refrigeration industry. In Foshan of China, where the headquarters of Chigo AC is situated, the scale of technology industrial park is giant and the modernized plants are numerous. Nearing the river, the most complete AC industrial in China has formed in Chigo Industrial Park. Modernized plants, internationally advanced equipment, automatic production line, and hardware have laid solid foundation for the leading feature in quality. In 2008, Chigo built industrial parks in Zhujiang and Wuhu of China, forming the new undertaking pattern of Chigo. It's the efforts made by Chigo for the world-level quality behind the skillized industrial manufacturing. Technology innovation laid the foundation for quality business. Chigo has performed a full cooperation with Mitsubishi to set up Technology Research and Development Center and invite senior experts for the Science Academy of China, Tsinghua University, and Peking University to form think tank. Chigo was approved to set up postdoctoral scientific research workstation of China to become the cradle for cultivating high-tech talents. Gathering industrial elites, Chigo has been keeping the innovation of technology and the production quality products. The innovative 3 super products integrating super energy saving, super healthy, and super silence is the outstanding representative of high quality in AC industry. The DC frequency transformation product, customized for a European market, has adopted the fluorine-free coolant R410A, which has reached the A-level energy efficiency level. The energy efficiency level of the product reached that of the CR13, leading in energy saving and marketable in North America. The original double fan wheel cabinet was a sample, both in silence and environment protection. The noise value is 10 decibels lower than equivalent products, which would remove 90% of particles with a diameter as 5 micrometers in the air. For building the world-level quality, Chigo has put into market several quality products like DC144 series, environmental cool media, R410A product, etc. The world-level product business of Chigo also lies in the target of zero flaw set by us and the stringent control over several cycles before, in, and after production. We have the leading testing device from Japan in the physical and chemical lab used for precisely testing and analyzing HSF harmful substance. The helium leakage detection devices introduced from Germany or Japan and the innovative auto-performance detection system are both leading in the international level. Chigo imposes more stringent pursuit and control over the quality of finished products. For the highly precise enthalpy difference lab, well-known BNK noise testing device, Switzerland's Gaffner EMC device is stringent and scientific in every process. Driven by technology innovation and quality, Chigo successfully has won countless authoritative honors and has passed over 300 certificates, proving the achievement of its world-level quality operation. It's the ideal of Chigo people to enable more people to enjoy clearer air. Nowadays, Chigo is approaching the target since over 100,000 families chose Chigo. Winning preference for the excellent quality, Chigo has spread its network over 100 countries and regions worldwide. The global series of well-known refrigeration home appliance exhibition has turned to be the window for spreading Chigo brand. By this channel, Chigo has witnessed a growing performance for over 10 years in the international market. Deep concept and broad vision enabled Chigo to attract attention of top 500 enterprises. Chigo has cooperated with Mitsubishi for 10 years and has cooperated with Hyundai to make modern AC, and the same also have established strategic cooperation relationship with Valiant and DuPont. Chigo used the ERP system to set up flexible production system to better meet the need of globalized development. Leading technology, innovative management, and the brand-based reputation have accelerated the globalized development pace of Chigo and bring Chigo to better future for global manufacturing. Chigo people have been making efforts to making the living of human being better. Chigo people is devoted into energy saving, emission reduction, and environment improvement, and take the same as its own task.
技高要照这个新代人，都是希望让我们的居住和生活更加环保和美丽。它与技高造世界上最好的空调的目标都是一致的，其目的都是为了让人类生活的更加的美好。
Chigo strive to advocate environmental protection material and new style coolant, and the same took the lead in spreading R410A and high energy efficiency products. Improve the living environment of staff and build garden-like residents. Help people in need, build bridges and roads, set up schools and enable people to work and live amicable and comfortable, receiving education and enjoying better life. Persistent in ideal and never giving up, Chigo people have obtained harvest result. In 2007, Mr. Anwarul K. Chowdhury, the Deputy Secretary General of the UN, awarded the Golden Green Environment Protection Energy Saving Air Conditioning to Mr. Li Xinghao, President of Chigo AC. Chigo people develop broader and broader in the course of a world quality building. It has been the unchanged ideal of Chigo people to make the living of people better. World level quality, global wide share.